So welcome back everyone. In this video we'll write a program to check if a number is prime or not. Okay, so when you have to check if a number is prime, what you need to do is, or first what you can check is if the given number is equal to 0 or 1, then you don't even have to go for or you have to write any more program, because if the number is 0 or 1, then they are not prime numbers. Okay, so if the numbers are not 0 and 1, then only you need to continue further. Okay, and suppose the given number was 17. Okay, so if the number is 17, what you need to do is you have to start dividing 17 by from numbers 2. Okay, so 17 by 2, 17 by 3, etc., up to, you don't really have to go up to 17. Actually, you can just go halfway. Okay, 17 by 2, that will be 8.5. so you just need go up you need to go only until 8. Okay, that will be sufficient. So when you are dividing with any of these numbers, if you are getting the remainder equal to 0, then that means it was possible to divide that number with 2, 3, etc., and in such case the number will not be a prime number. Okay, so once your loop is complete and still you couldn't find any number with which you are getting a remainder equal to 0, then that means your number is prime number. Okay, so that's the logic behind the program. So let's just start writing the code. So before that, we'll just create a file. So see tutorials, we already have up to code 5. So let's just create 6 code 6.c, and then we'll just yeah, okay, so let's just start writing the code. So as always, it's always good to start with the comment. So program to check if prime or not, and then we start the first we have to hash include stdio.h, and we start the main program. Okay, and so we need to take a number from the user, right? So int n I'm doing, and I write a message printf and the number, go to the new line. Okay, and then we take the number from the user, so scanf. We are going to take a integer value, so %d and we'll be storing that integer to this variable n. Okay, so ampersand n, and now we have to see if the number equal to 0 or, so for or you have to do or use this key, that's the or symbol in C programming. So if n equal to 0 or n equal to 1, then what you have to do, you have to actually print that it's not a prime number, right? Yeah, just I will write the code there, but before that we'll just go to the next line. So if that's not the case, okay, we can start the for loop. So in the for loop we start with the counter I. Okay, so you have to declare it, so I'm just declaring it inside here only. So we have to start from I equal to 2, and this have to go till I less than n by 2. Okay, and then you have to increment the value of I. So I'm writing I plus plus. Okay, and now what I need to do is, if our number, okay, it can be divided with I properly. That means when I divide the number, the given number with all this 2, 3, etc. in the loop, if I'm going to get equal to the, if I'm going to get the remainder equal to 0, that means the number is not a prime. Okay, so you can do that in different ways actually. So here I will just try to use a variable flag. Let's say flag equal to 0. I'm giving that. Okay, and here if the number is not a prime, then I'll change the value of flag to 1. Okay, so once I at the end of the program, I can just check the value of flag and then see whether the number was a prime or not. Okay, so here if this n percentage I equal to 0, that means you found a number with which the number can be divided, then that means your flag has to change the value. It will change to 1. Okay, so and then we'll use another command called break, because once you found a number, okay, suppose your number was 15, okay, and when you reached for I equal to 2, you did not satisfy this if condition, because 15 divided by 2, you did not get the remainder as 0, but you're going to 3, I equal to 3. Okay, at that time when you're dividing 15 by 3, then you are getting the remainder equal to 0, but so it means that 15 is not a prime number. But you don't have to repeat the loop again and again, right? You don't have to go for I equal to 4, I equal to 5, etc., because you already found out that the number is not a prime number. So that's why we are using this command break, because it tells the program that we can break out of this for loop. Okay, so we can, the if condition is there, and now we can close the for loop also. And now what we need to just see is if the value of flag has been changed. Okay, so if the value of flag has been remains 0 itself, the way we declared in the beginning, that means it did not enter any of these if conditions. Okay, and that means that the number is a prime number. Okay, so if you are having just one single line in the if and all, you don't have to give a bracket. Okay, you can just write it directly. So printf, I can write so this particular number is a prime number, and go to the new line and here I just write the number n. Okay, and just copy paste this, and else. Okay, else that means the value of flag is not equal to 0, it has been changed. So in that case we can write the number is not a prime number. Okay, and that should be the end of the program. So we can just write return 0 and close the main function. Okay, so I hope I have put semicolon everywhere. Yeah, so here I didn't give a semicolon, so flag equal to 1, and yeah, so that's all the program we need, I think. So we'll just try running it. If we have an error, we can come back and correct. Okay, so GCC okay, we do not have any error, so we can just a dot out, and let's enter the number 17. So 17 is a prime number. Again we'll check, let's say 153, so it's not a prime number. 151, so 151, it says it's a prime number. And if I'm going to give 0, okay, so we gave that condition. Okay, 0 and 1. Otherwise 0 and 1 would not come under this loop. Okay, so I hope that's clear. So first you have to give this particular condition. You have to, if it's 0 or 1, you don't have to do further. Actually, in this case we can include this for loop inside a else statement. Okay, because now what happens is, if this condition is true also, this for loop will be repeated. Okay, but it won't be repeated actually, because you have n by 2 condition over there, and that won't be satisfied. Anyway, just forget what I said. This is fine. Okay, so yeah, we'll stop this program, stop this video for now. We'll see in the next video. Thank you.